All right, man. I guess this is included with the me coming out here. This is included with the pressure wash job payment. Not coming down real heavy right this minute, but I don't know. I'm just gonna go up on this other hill. You can probably see here. There's meter fence. And obviously it's worse in the low-lying areas. You just can't get the runoff up here. But it's been pretty steady all day long. So Kaiser Road is messed up. I have no idea what the Maryland side looks like because it was shut down while I was still in Kaiser. You can probably see that coming from that way. That's the runoff coming down. You get the idea.